Welcome. This is a short practice which can be done daily, and it helps to improve your flexibility and strength throughout the whole body. So get your mat and enjoy. We'll begin in child's pose. We'll keep the knees together. Walk the hands forward. Allow the head to rest on the floor or maybe a block or cushion. Allow the hips to come down towards the heels. And begin to notice a little stretch in the back. How does the spine feel? And just walk your hands up for a moment, and we're going to open out the knees now and allow the chest to come down towards the floor in between the thighs. Again, let your head rest, let your arms rest. And while you're here, take the awareness of the breath to the upper back. Feel that expansion in the upper back. Gentle movement with the inhale and exhale. And from here we move on to all fours. On an inhale, lift the head, lift the chest, lift the tailbone. On an exhale, curl and round the spine. Go at your own pace. Let the body follow the breath. As you inhale, chest lifts, head lifts. Exhale, curl and round. How does the body want to or need to move today? A little faster pace, a little slower pace. How does the spine feel? How do the shoulders, the neck? How is the breath? And this will be the last one. From here, we're going to move into downward facing dog. So walk the hands just a little bit forward, fingers spread wide. Press them firmly into the floor. Heels don't have to be on the floor. Lift the sit bones up. As you inhale, we're going to move into upward facing dog. Hips come down to the floor, chest lifts, shoulders draw down. And as you exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips up. Feel that stretch in the legs and in the spine. Move with the breath. And feel free to take a breath or two in up dog or in down dog in between the movements. Deciding whether you feel like moving more quickly or more slowly today. Exhale, down dog, hips lift up. And we'll begin to pedal the knees, getting a little deeper stretch into the backs of the legs. And press the heels towards the floor. If they don't touch the floor, that's okay. But keep the hips lifting up, keep the hands active. And now we move into plank. Engagement of the core, strong legs, strong arms. Press the floor away from you, and can you steady the breath? Steady the breath. Make the breath longer. Longer exhale. And hold it. Hold it. And we slowly lower down. Move into child's pose. From here we come to lay on our back, coming into bridge pose. Let the arms be alongside the body, feet hip distance apart, toes point forward. Press the hands into the floor, and as you inhale, hips lift up. As you exhale, hips lower. Stay connected, feet on the mat, shoulders, arms, hands on the mat. And allow the movement to come through the hips, the spine, lifting the chest up towards the chin. Again, follow the breath. Inhale, lifting up, press into the feet, and exhale, lowering. From here we come into Halasana. So gently lift your hips up, support your low back with your hands. You can stay with your knees bent close to the head, or if it's comfortable, go ahead and begin to lift the legs up, straighten up the body. Chest comes towards the chin. There should be no discomfort in the neck. So if you feel any pinchy feeling, then just come out. Lift the feet up. You can even close the eyes. Notice the breath. Allow the breath to deepen, to lengthen. And we get ready to come out. Slowly lowering the feet back down, lowering the spine. Rock a few times on the back. And then we come into Happy Baby, holding the outsides of the feet, elbows on the insides of the legs if it's comfortable. And just gently rock from side to side if it feels good. You can play here if it feels right, straightening one leg at a time, pressing the heel away, toes reach over the head. Finding movement, finding a place which feels good for the body. We're not here to serve a practice or do poses a certain way, but we're here to have the practice work for us. So find out what your body needs and then move in that way. And we gently release. And our last pose for today will be a twist. Bringing the right knee in toward the chest and take it over to the left side. Extend your right arm out, maybe turning the head over to the right side. Allow your body to soften in this pose. Allow the breath to be natural and observe your natural breath in this twist. Turning back to center, release the right leg and bend the left knee, bring it into the chest and take the twist on the other side. The left leg coming down to the ground, the left arm extending out, maybe looking over to the left. Allow the body to soften into the pose. Inhale. Feeling that space in the chest, expansion. And as you exhale, allow the body to twist. Allow the body to soften. And we release the twist. Extend the left leg back out in front. And we'll just spend a little time in Shavasana. You can stay here for as much time as you have. Feel the body on the floor. Notice your natural breath. Just becoming aware of any feelings and sensations that you feel in the body. Any effects from your practice? How does the body feel? How do the legs feel? The arms? Notice the gentle rise and fall in the chest and the abdomen as you breathe in and out. Feel the breath at the nose. Feel the breath at the throat. And take a moment just to notice how you feel right at this moment. And if it's a good experience, appreciate it. When you're ready, get ready to move and come out. Thank you.